Hi, welcome everybody in our new session. In today's session, we will discuss how we can apply sort and filter operations on the data values in Microsoft Excel. For this purpose, we are using our previous example that we have done in our previous session, that is about conditional formatting. You can also look conditional formatting or view conditional formatting view from the Microsoft Excel playlist from our channel. So let's start. Here is the list of subjects provided here, and there is the corresponding marks that are the dummy marks. Just for the practical purpose, we are using here to manipulate the data and find out the results of the sort and filter operations. So first of all, we have to look at the sort and filter toolbar that is available here in the top of the right corner. I would like to zoom it. This is the sort and filter toolbar that contains options sort A to Z, means ascending order, in descending order, or we can also perform the custom sort. For custom sort, I have clicked on this custom sort. It showing the message that we have to select the cells for the sorting operation first of all. So that we are going to select the cells for the sorting operation. Observe that first of all we have to select the cells for sorting or filter operation. I am selecting here the mark sheet, and then I would go to the sort option. I am clicking on the smaller to larger. I am again repeating the task. I am clicking on the sort smaller to the larger. Here this point is much more important to observe and read. This is a warning operation. This dialog is a warning dialog that is telling us Microsoft Excel found data next to your selection. Means next to your selection here means that adjacent to your selection. Would you like to expand your selection or continue under the current selection? Okay, if you have understand this one, I would like to clear. If we select the first one option, it will adjacent the concatenate the adjacent selection or fields or cell to the current proportion of the sorting. Just clear that. If we click on the expand option, here there is the expand option, and by default it is strongly recommended to click on the expanded selection, and this is the default selected option in Microsoft Excel. On the other hand, if you want to only sort out the values and there is no relation of these values with the other available cells or rows or columns, then we can choose continue with the current selection. I would like to show you the impact of this one. When I check mark the expand the selection option and click on sort, you will observe that mathematics, English, physics corresponding subject will also sorted. We have observed that the mathematics, English and other subjects are also sorted with respect to the marks. Okay, I am just undo the operation, going to undo the operation, again selecting the marks column and click on smaller to larger. It is again asking me sort warning. I am now continue with the current selection. Now it will only sort the marks column, not relevant subject column. Okay, click on the sort. Now one problem is occurring. We can clearly observe that mathematics has not the marks of 12. I am undoing the operation. I am just undoing the operation. Mathematics has the marks of 34. If mathematics is the third one subject after sorting, then mathematics should be on the place of physics. So I can imagine that you have clearly understand what is the purpose of selection, expanded selection or default selection. We can also do the same operation for the descending operation, expand the selection. This is the descending, means larger will be the topmost and lower on and on. Thus lowest will be the bottommost. I am again undoing the operation so that there will be the combination of mesh up of the smaller and larger numbers. Now we will go to the custom sort. The third one option is the custom sort. Again, sorting warning is appearing here. I will click on the expanded selection. Here is the list of. I would like to explain this independently. This is the custom sort dialog box. They're not frequently used, but we will have to cover in this today's session. The first option is sort by. It will contain the entire columns that are included in the expanded selection. The second column is sort on. Either this is value, this is text, this is format, and third one is only containing the two option, sending or descending. Okay, now select here. We would like to sort it with the help of subject, marks or status. We are selecting here the marks, and the second option sort on, performing to sort on values, cell color. We will have to provide here the cell color. No cell color is available here. Okay, cell color, font color, or cell icon. No icon is available here. I would like to use these three options in later on this session. Now I am only trying to sort this data smaller to larger using values. Okay, click on that. This is smaller to larger, mean it is sorted in ascending order. Undo the operation. Again, I am going to assign some colors. I am assigning here the red color to the two values, to the two subject marks, computer science and mathematics. Again, select the columns to sort. Click on custom sort. Expand the selection. Now I am going to the sort with the help of marks and cell with the help of font color. Now it is going to font color. What is meant by cell color and font color? Cell color is basically background color of the cell, and font color is basically color of your text that is appearing in the cell. Okay, on top, on bottom, what you want to place, red on the top or bottom. I am required to red place on the bottom. You can choose other options to see the result or outcome of the filter or sorting. These placed at the bottom of the sheet. Selection. This is sorting with respect to colors or font color or the cell color. I am going undoing the two operations. Now we are going to apply the filters. This is also important feature of Microsoft Excel and not commonly, I think not commonly used and understand by the peoples, but in today's session we will cover it. Click on filter option from the sort and filter. This filter option is applied on the selected selection. We can see here, this is the filter option that is applied to the particular set of row cells that are selected. Okay, this is the filter option. Now what is the purpose of this filter option and how it will filter the data? Just click is drop down menu. We can also sort. Here is also available options, sort for descending and ascending order. There is also a option of custom sort or color sort. Custom sort, in actual, this is a color sort. Ascending or descending is directly available on the top of the pop-up menu. And the filter option particular reason is that we can select here the values. I would like to include the mass column, so the filter will be applied to the cell header. Click on filter again. We can also clear the filter using the clear option or clicking again on the filter. Click on the drop down. I can filter the data values from here. You can see here are the data values. If we click on uncheck the 12 and 43 and click on OK, then you can see the values are filtered successfully. but this is not the major purpose to check or uncheck the data from the list of values and see the result. Actual purpose of the filter is to filter the data depending on the conditions. Here we can see that number filters, this option appearing here, number filters. We can also search the number or values or text from here. We can apply different kind of filters. There are only 6 records in our working sheet. In a real world example, there may be thousands of values that you have to apply on that filter. There is maybe the salaries or the product cost or any other values regarding with the accounts or mark sheets. Then we are required to apply the filter using number filters. We say that number filter we can apply that greater than or less than. We can say that only numbers that are greater than 33 or 32 appear. We write here greater than 32. The filter is applied successfully. This is the basically use of filters in Microsoft Excel. We can use here filters in Microsoft Excel, which make it easier. Here we can see that the filter is applied and the topmost option is enabled. Now we can clear the filters from here. Just click on this one, the entire filters are cleared. I think today's session we understand the filters and how we can use filters, how we can perform custom sorting operations depending on the cell color, font color, and we also understand what is the major perspectives of sorting with respect to colors and values. Thanks for watching today's session. If you like our session, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks.